It is currently May 11th, and I think that means I have been in quarantine for approximately 2 months now. So inevitably, I have become greasier and crustier than ever. Oh, no. But, you know, I feel like we're all kind of on the same page. Quarantine started, personal hygiene took a plummet for the worst. Personally, my leg hair could probably be braided. And I could probably wash my hair more than once a week. But, you know, I just cannot be bothered. I do feel bad for my boyfriend. He has been probably scared at times, but if you can't have me at my worst, you cannot have me at my best. I wish I didn't say that. Yeah, so it's actually May 11th right now, which means in 4 days I will be starting phase 1 of returning to normalcy after coronavirus. I honestly have no idea what that means, but it's something to look forward. So in preparation of that, I thought I would do this fun little glow up, pamper myself, in order to not come out crustier than I went in. And I went in pretty damn crusty. So I was like, what could I do? And you know, I didn't want to do anything basic like paint my nails, which I did. No. I also couldn't really think of a lot. So, you know, I've watched probably a disgusting amount of YouTube and TikToks during this quarantine. So I've gotten a few ideas. So one, we're gonna dye my eyebrows, which is quite alarming, and this is just for men, but we are progressive over here on my channel. Okay, so we will be using it. We're doing that. I'm giving myself a lash lamination. I'm gonna give myself fake eyelash extensions, which I can't even apply just regular falsies, so we'll see about that. I'm gonna self-tan, shave my legs, and actually do my makeup and put on an outfit, you know, because I've really just been rocking in this, which I'm not opposed to, and I wear this majority of the time anyways, but just to spice it up. And lastly, we're gonna have my brother say like how I look now, and then at the end of everything, because I saw this tweet and it was very true, that was like, if you want to know how you look or be put or want to be like humbled or something, ask your brother how you look. We'll give it a go.
You ugly. Said it.
Ooh. I'm scared. I'm scared. I regret all my decisions. I'm just really terrified for this. I honestly don't even know if this is the right color. I did not do one of their little 48 allergy tests because I just don't have time for that, you know? I do a lot of other stuff like watch TikTok in bed. This eyebrow dye was a little mother effort to get. I initially went to Target and got like dark brown, which was a bad idea. Like, and I think we all knew that. Yeah! They didn't have the color that I'm using now, which is like medium to dark brown. I don't know. So then I ended up returning the dark brown I got because I watched videos and it was like a lot of people with black hair that was using that. It's like, we're not doing that. If you were lucky enough to witness Goth Annika, you would know why. So I went to Walgreens and they had this, and that lady she just wasn't happy about me being there buying eyebrow dye during a pandemic, which, you know what? I understand. I was a little self-conscious to go out myself and buy this while we were in the middle of this crisis. It kind of hurt, you know? I wanted the support and she just wasn't there to give it to me. I can understand. Okay, wait. That looks really dark.
Honey, you've got a big storm coming. Yeah, get into it!
So I just self-tan and I look terrifying, but look at the sky. Okay, so it's the next day. I self-tanned last night with Saint Tropez. I hope nobody thinks I broke quarantine rules and went to the Maldives for a week, because that's kind of the vibe I'm giving off. Now, we're gonna do the brow lamination. And you know, I'm just gonna address the elephant in the room. Yeah, I look slightly terrified right now, but I think it's got to get worse before it can get better, you know? So this is what I'm using. I ordered it off Amazon for like 20 bucks. Nothing that I'm doing was more, like this was the most expensive thing. Can we just talk about how innovative we have gotten with eyebrows, you know? You can do eyebrow extensions now. That's some innovation that excites, okay? You know, that's all I gotta say about it. But let's get this done. I honestly don't know like how much I should put on, like, do I coat her, you know? And I think I'd rather put too much on than too little. Can we just talk about how aggressive 2020 has been, you know? You know, it's like, and just like that, I have some laminated brows. Here they are. Okay, I love them.
Well,
I know they're not everyone's style, but I love. They're also like definitely still glue stuck to my face and they are stuck down, but I'm not complaining. Okay, so for makeup, I'm gonna keep it pretty basic, like what I would do normally, but maybe like a little bit more. Gonna use my new Fenty lipsticks that came in. The flavors are Coca-Cola, root beer, and cherry coke. Thanks, Fenty. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so yeah, here's the finished makeup. I decided not to do my hair because unnecessary, and I'm honestly running out of time. I did the eyelash extensions, and they took so long. I do like them, but it took so much time, and honestly, I probably could have just done fake lashes and saved myself some time. Are anybody else's sideburns raging to the point where you look like the guy from Hunger Games? Love. I'm just a transition queen today. Okay, so here is the final look. I just threw on this LL Bean thing that I found at the thrift store once because it is 40 degrees here, and yeah, got the Reeboks, my basic Hollister mom jeans, and a little white tank. I'm just gonna wait for my boyfriend to get here so I can ask him what he thinks of the glow up. My brother is sleeping, or I would ask him, but I think we all know what he would say.
You ugly.
Okay, yeah, that's enough. What do you think?
It looks good, I like it.
Original.
I didn't get a glow up and you did, so this isn't fair because I don't look any different than I usually do.
Okay, so that's the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed this glow up. Did I really glow up? I don't know. But we're gonna go get some ice cream.
These outro things are hard.